Why is there a need for machine learning libraries? And how does PyTorch come in as a solution? Let's delve into it. Machine learning is a complex domain involving intricate algorithms and high-dimensional data. Writing code from scratch for each machine learning project is not only time-consuming, but also prone to errors. This is where machine learning libraries come in. They provide pre-written, optimized code for common tasks, making the development process faster, easier, and more reliable. Enter PyTorch, a powerful open-source machine learning library based on the Torch library. Developed initially by Meta AI, formerly known as Facebook AI, it is now maintained by the PyTorch Foundation. It has gained widespread acceptance among researchers and developers for its versatility in handling various tasks. Deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and research and development are some of the areas where PyTorch shines. It comes packed with a comprehensive set of tools for building and training models, dealing with text and image data, and exploring new algorithms and architectures. PyTorch's journey began as a user-friendly alternative to other libraries, offering Python-like syntax that made it easy to learn and use. Its dynamic computation graphs provided flexibility and expressiveness in model construction, which was a significant advantage for researchers and developers. As PyTorch evolved, it introduced tensors for representing data and performing operations, offering high performance and efficiency. It also provided predefined modules and layers, which allowed for rapid model construction. The library was extensible, allowing developers to create custom modules and extensions for specialized tasks. One of PyTorch's most significant milestones was the introduction of TorchScript. This feature allowed for a seamless transition between eager and graph modes, accelerating the path to production. This was followed by the release of TorchServe, which further simplified the deployment of PyTorch models. Another significant development was the Torch distributed backend, which enabled scalable distributed training and performance optimization. This feature made PyTorch a viable option for large-scale, production-level projects. The PyTorch ecosystem, launched subsequently, offered tools, frameworks, and libraries for machine learning development in various domains. This ecosystem further extended PyTorch's capabilities, making it a one-stop solution for machine learning projects. PyTorch's significance in the machine learning field is undeniable. Its Pythonic nature, dynamic computation graphs, tensor-based operations, modularity, extensibility, and large community make it a powerful tool for machine learning tasks. Its wide range of features and resources make it a popular choice for both beginners and experts in the field. In summary, PyTorch is not just a machine learning library. It is a comprehensive platform that caters to the needs of researchers, developers, and organizations. It simplifies the complex world of machine learning, making it accessible to a wider audience. Whether it's building a deep learning model, developing a natural language processing application, or conducting cutting-edge research, PyTorch has got you covered.